Each week, the TV Open House Preview features dozens of homes for sale throughout Northern Ohio, making it easy for you to preview a variety of locations, styles, and price ranges from the comfort of your home. When you see a home you like, drive out later today and take a closer look, because every home shown on today's program is open from 2 to 5 o'clock this afternoon. To help you locate the homes shown on today's program, we'll display the community, the street address, the price, the name of our realtor, and a phone number to call for further information. And each of today's featured homes is coded numerically, corresponding with our ads in the real estate section of your local newspaper. When you're planning to sell your home and would like it featured on this program at no cost to you, call the Smythe Cramer office serving your neighborhood. Looking at homes has never been easier or more convenient than on the TV Open House Preview, another special service of Smythe Cramer Company. Integrity in real estate since 1903.
Welcome to the Smythe Cramer TV Open House Preview. For the benefit of all of our viewers, today's featured listings range in price from $109.9 to $579.9. Now let's begin our tour.
This century colonial masterfully combines the character of years past with the convenience of today for $329.9. 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths cater to an active household. Original wood flooring and an English-styled fireplace call attention to the living room. Tiled counters, a decorative backsplash, double sinks, and a dishwasher highlight the kitchen. The fireplace keeping room offers coziness. Berber carpet and a cathedral ceiling complement the family room decor. The home is recognized by the National Registry of Historic Places and captures the quaint charm of the village of Hudson. Linda Carr has details.
A sprawling ranch in Willoughby Hills, tucked in approximately an acre, backs up to the Metro Park. There are 4 bedrooms and 4 baths, including a newer master suite with jacuzzi. The living room features a flagstone fireplace, beam ceiling, wall of windows, and a built-in bookcase. A pass-through leads to the kitchen. The spacious family room opens to a 3-car garage. 35036 Martin Drive is available for $279.9. Mary Ann Clausen can tell you more.
Helen Hazlett is showing an Auburn colonial resting in approximately 3 acres that include a barn suitable for horses and a fenced pasture. The living room provides views of Auburn Springs Golf Course. A recently remodeled eat-in kitchen includes appliances, craft-made cabinets, and a vinyl floor. The floor plan includes a dining room, sunroom, 4 bedrooms, and 2 baths. Wall-to-wall carpeting and a fireplace welcome all to the family room. And there are both attached and detached 2-car garages. 9910 Stafford is priced at $224.9.
A split level in Bay Village features 4 bedrooms with hardwood floors and 2.5 baths for $189.9. Light walls create a feeling of cheerfulness in the kitchen, while a vaulted ceiling enhances the openness in the living room. Neutral decor will enhance your fine dining room furnishings, and the spacious family room leads to a screened porch that overlooks a large treed yard. There's a lot to like about 28006 West Oviatt. Find out more this afternoon when you talk to Michelle Caston.
A contemporary farmhouse in Seville with 33 acres is priced at under $300,000, or with 21 acres for under $260,000. A music room is adjacent to a living room featuring wall-to-wall carpeting and a wood-burning stove. Built-in china cabinets in the dining room flank a double-sided fireplace. A family room with vinyl floor opens to a kitchen area and also has a double-sided fireplace. Grounds include an outbuilding and barn, so questions can saddle up. There are 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. Terry Meinhardt and Carla Ponigvar can tell you more.
Tall trees stand guard in the front yard to create a feeling of seclusion at a colonial in Hudson. Cherry paneling, a bay window, and fireplace call you to the expanded family room of the home, which has a large dining room to accommodate festive dinner gatherings. The eat-in kitchen features a center serving area. Appliances, including the washer and dryer, will remain. There are 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a partially finished basement. 1537 Amboy has a well-maintained appearance and can be yours for $169.9. See Bob Motice.
Follow the winding drive to classic beauty at a Tudor tucked in scenic splendor in Auburn. The outstanding home has 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. A copper ceiling tops the den. A tray ceiling, pillars, and bay window area herald the quality of the dining room. Hand-painted ceramic tile countertops, maple cabinets, and a Mexican tile floor dominate the kitchen. A soaring wall of glass, marble fireplace, and built-in set the tone in the 2-story family room. The finished lower level has a living room with fireplace, a media room, and a second kitchen. Gracious living can be yours for $575,000. Roseanne Oriella will give you a tour.
A stately 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath colonial is in a park-like setting in a friendly neighborhood in Concord. Recent updates include the gas furnace, central air, hot water tank, bathroom fixtures, and carpeting. The dishwasher and disposal have been updated too, and a utility room is on the first floor. The home measures approximately 2,350 square feet. A vaulted ceiling and fan are in the sunroom, which overlooks a yard with lush landscaping. An attached garage includes overhead storage. Judy Crockett can point out all the features to make this Pearl the home for you. Price $2,099.
An absolutely delightful home is situated on a lot in Medina that has a lake view. Price $174,900. One of 4 bedrooms is on the first floor. There are 2.5 baths. A vaulted ceiling, walk-in closet, and 5-foot shower stall are in the master suite. A pantry, range, microwave, and dinette highlight the kitchen, which opens to the great room where you'll find a gas fireplace. And the laundry's on the first floor. Escape from the stress of the end of the day by coming home to 1063 Larkins Way. Jerry Futo looks forward to answering your questions.
A newly built colonial from Kelly Homes at Hannum Crossing in Streetsboro is priced at $239,900. Other lots and plans are available starting at $205,000, including the lot. Imagine the crackling warmth of a family room fireplace on a cold winter's night welcomes you to the good life. A spacious eating area highlights a kitchen with oak cabinets, a range, and dishwasher. Formal beauty greets guests in the dining and living rooms. There are 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, including a master suite with whirlpool. Pat Slagle awaits.
Wondering how much home you can afford to buy? Pick up the phone and call Home Mortgage Assured Corporation. It's just that easy and that fast. Call 1-800-600-4622 to be conveniently pre-qualified for your home. We'll be right back.
The Floor Show, where the spotlight is on quality, selection, and service.
I found everything I needed at the Floor Show.
The Floor Show, the finest in carpet, marble, ceramic tile, laminate, and hardwood floors.
Great prices, great selection. Go to the Floor Show. The Floor Show service was great. The Floor Show did a great job.
The Floor Show, 23860 Miles Road at I-480.
When it comes to flooring, nobody does it better than we do.
August is Child Identification Month at all Smythe Cramer branch locations. Bring your children to the neighborhood office nearest you from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday and receive your complimentary child identification kit, including fingerprints for your personal records. Now back to the show.
An enchanting setting includes a colonial and approximately 5 acres in Medina. Price $349,900. The wooded backdrop and lake view lets you know this home is a true oasis. A fireplace with oak mantel, Berber carpet, and recessed lights are in the family room. The kitchen features custom lighting, stove, microwave, dishwasher, and a vinyl floor, and a bow windows in the eating area. Carpeting with a wood border and a tray ceiling call attention in the dining room. The French doors open to the sunroom. There are 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. A whirlpool is in the master suite. See Frida DeStallo.
A scenic lot of nearly 2.5 acres in Orange gives a contemporary split-level privacy without isolation. Soaring ceilings and gleaming wood floors enhance the majestic openness of the living and dining rooms. Entertain graciously with ease. The 4-bedroom home has 2.5 baths. Ovens, a sub-zero refrigerator, trash compactor, and overabundance of cabinets create a dream kitchen. Sliders lead to multi-level decks, which overlook a wonderful backyard. 4360 Lander Road has been updated and expanded. Price $309,000. Talk to Cynthia Whalen.
From the minute you enter the front door of this 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath Hudson Colonial, you'll feel at home. Peaches and cream decor fills the formal living room. Paneled walls and a fireplace invite relaxation into the family room. You'll find plenty of storage space in the well-planned kitchen. The roomy dining area has been decorated with newer flooring and attractive wall coverings. A finished lower level and side entry garage are added features, all for $226,900. See Diane Topper.
Get ready to give the thumbs up sign after visiting a great home priced at $249,900 in Bainbridge. The 4-level split has newer mechanics and an open and airy living room. There are 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Dining room windows provide beautiful views of the yard and waterfall. Skylights brighten the kitchen that boasts a large pantry and a dining area. A loft overlooks a family room that includes a fireplace, wet bar, bay window, and slider to the sunroom. 8361 Stony Brook boasts a large deck with trellis, exercise room, pond, and possible in-law suite. See Marcia Hedberg.
A ranch in Parkman Township is at the heart of approximately 1.5 acres